Two fingers in my ears.
You're doing great. Birdie's right there.
You gonna make it?
Harder than I thought it would be.
I know, it is hard.
High five.
How are you?
Going a little tunnel rat.
Maybe this way.
Why do I let him convince me to do stuff like this? This thing smells like a
You
song.
gotta look out for snakes.
Yeah, I'm coming out.
I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.
Okay. Why do I let you convince me to do stuff like this? This place smells like something crawled in here and died. Oh.
This is crazy. Yeah, more likely it's just crazy. It's more scary. It's like a creepy clown tunnel.
Please don't say the word clown in here. Ow, ow, rock. Why do I let him convince me to do stuff like this? Because I shouldn't.
I'll meet you guys. Ow, my head.
Ah!
Oh,
This place smells like something crawled up here and died. Oh, that's bubble gum. Disgusting. Ow, 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 ow. Don't really want to know what that is. No. Let's go here. No. I don't want to know what that is. Hey? Who's in here? Hey? Somebody needs help find their way out?
Hey, come here.
What?
Come here. Say that I'm coming.
I'm fine. I'm just coming out.
Hey. You want to be friends?
Hold on. I gotta get out. This place. Hold on. Hey. Get on my knees. Please.
Alright, we're gonna go through this corn maze. It's supposed to be in the shape of Betty White. What? Yes, absolutely. I think you can. There you go.
We have a map.
Well, do we have a
Bottom
map?
of the bag somewhere.
Well, at least we have one.
It's not the map to the corn maze.
Well, it's not. You don't have a map to the corn maze? Well, we in the middle of a corn maze. We need to find a map. Look, there's one on the floor, on the ground. Get that. There we go. Oh, it doesn't have the corn maze. I'll tote it out with us. Somebody else littered. Alright, which way?
A maze is a maze.
A maze is a maze, that's right. Which way do we go? You don't think we go that way? Think we go this way? I don't think this was a... Hey, come here, come back. I think somebody made that. I don't think it's supposed to be there. So let's go this way. Done lost your mama. They're trapped in the maze.
Mama.
They are trapped.
How about we go down
Oh, no, no. Can't go.
this way?
Think this way?
I'm gonna follow those people.
I don't think they know where they're going either. I think we gotta go this way. We gotta go this way.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Conundrum. Crab apple. That's neat. About this way.
I'm starting to think we're lost.
You think we're lost? I don't think we're lost.
The exit is that way.
We're at Lyon's Family Farm. Well, you're right. It is, isn't it? All right, let's go this way. Well,
Oh, that's the dead end.
well, we in a dead end. Let's go back.
I saw a way that we could go.
No, that wasn't the way. That's just where somebody cut through. All right, now we go this way.
I feel like I know this picture.
You feel like you know this picture?
Again.
You feel like we've been here before? Well, that's not good.
Wait a minute. That is a picture.
It is a it's a picture of Betty White from the air. That's what the corn maze is this year. I think we're supposed to go.
We've got to find Mama.
Well, I bet we're in her eyes because it's an eye. It's a circle right here.
This is
You there?
the eye.
I think so. We'll go this way.
We've got to find Mama.
I know. I'm looking for her. I don't know where she went. She was right behind us.
She was right behind us.
I know.
And then she decided to go the other way.
I mean, eventually you'll come out it somewhere. You might be in the middle of the pumpkin patch instead of the corn maze. But all right, people, where do you think I messed up and took the wrong turn at? All right, I'm gonna cut this one right here, and we'll pick you up whenever we find our map or that my wife's got,
Mama
or
has my map.
Mama has your map. You don't have the map. Not even in your pocket.
Nope, I don't have pockets.
You don't even have pockets. Oh no. Oh no.
I don't have a map.
Oh no.
I only have the map to the farm, not the cool maze.
Ah. Dead end. Let's go this way.
Wait, where? Let's go this way. I'm the leader now.
All right, you're the leader now. All right, folks, we'll pick you back up when we find out wherever we're at. All right, folks, we are no more. Found our way through this thing, and the man is on the moon, but she says she knows the way, so.
I don't.
You don't really? You said you did.
I do and I don't. I do and I don't.
You do and you don't.
Yeah.
Here's a new conundrum sign. What is it?
It's a goat with
It's a Tennessee T and a goat. Very skinny, weird looking goat. I don't know what that one is. Goat T, I don't know. But if any of you people can figure this out, put it in the comments. Oh, dead end. We're still lost, so if we ever get out, if you're watching this video, it means we eventually made our way out. Alright, we found a new conundrum sign. What is it?
I don't know.
I don't either. I don't know. The crab apple was easy, but I don't know. Bull. Bull. I don't know.
Bull and hypnotized?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Because it has a hypnotized eye.
Put a comment below if you can figure this one out.
Yeah.
We're still lost though.
Here goes. I go for this way.
You gonna go through that way? I don't think it's a way, but we'll try it. I think it's just where people have cut through, but desperate times call for desperate measures. People, we may have done it. We may be coming out. We have completed the Betty White corn maze, to my absolute astonishment. Huh, awesome. All right, we'll see you guys on something else. We made it. Awesome. High five.
High five.
Yes. All right, folks, we're going back in the corn maze to get Mom, Charlie. Okay. And she's the leader. She claims to have successfully navigated this. So you just remember the way. I think you took us straight to a dead end. That's a good, well, that's okay. We've been here before. Not a big deal. Oh, Lord, there's another one. All right, get your bearings. I don't believe this was part of Land Nav.
Well, you don't need it now.
All right, I'm gonna cut you guys off because I may give somebody a seizure with all the jarring.
We haven't put this one.
I have no idea what that could
Guys,
be. Maybe I'm just stupid.
Comment down below if you think you can solve this one. Come on, Dad.
Okay, I'm coming. Well, we're at the back, so you gotta be. I don't think you're going quite the right way. I see hay bales. I think we're close. Well, close enough. Oh, man. No, he's hungry. Stick your hand out.
No, I don't want him to. Here, you're doing it. I don't want mine.
Yeah, he's wiping on him. He's wiping on him.
There. Thank you. See, I'm not good at that.
Just hold it in your hand.
No. No, I'm not from here. I'm not going to.
Say it again, Byron. Say this one again.
Not nice.
nice. Don't bite my finger this
Not
time.
nice.
I already fed you twice. Brown one's so sweet.
Bless it. Bless it.
I just gave her some, I was just trying to give her some food. Let's go see the big thing.
Is that the bully? Is that the main one?
That's the bully.
He looks like he's the main one. I don't know. Look at that little man. Hey, dude. How you doing? Is that Satan? Who is that? Obviously, we made it out of the corn maze.
Yeah, that's why I didn't chew my finger. He wants to chew my finger.
No, stick your whole hand in there.
No.
Down low. He will not. He's got very soft lips. Oh, sorry, people. No, he's done. He's done.
Don't go down.
Baby goats.
I hate all of it. Hey, the goat. He's the baby goat.
Hey, don't overrun.
It's his goat.
I'm spoon feeding it. I think one of these goats put this goat in his place.
You think so? Well, he didn't spit at you this time.
Can I have my lip back?
Sure. Can I see just a little bit?
Think he got put in his place?
Yes. I've given a goat scratches.
I believe for pot bellies.
How do you call her pig?
I don't know how you call those things. You gonna snort? Like, I don't think those are piglets. I think those are just your pot-belly pigs. There she is. I don't know if they call her pork chop. Pork steak. Big sausage mama. I don't know what to call her. Donkey's back. Let's go see the donkey.